Hi, welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. I'm gonna make something very easy and quick. We are not going even to use knife. How are we gonna do it? Let's do this. I'm gonna show you. Very quick, less than 5 minutes. Okay, so let me show you what to do with this tempeh. First, in the plastic, squeeze it. Very easy, right? You don't need to cut it. Just squeeze it like that. Okay, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze. And the same thing with this, squeeze it. Okay, use your hand. Okay, use your hand. House. Take that. Okay, two of them. Now, what you need to do is, two of them, we're gonna add some seasoning. Okay, so bumbu hijau. Okay, we're gonna use bumbu hijau. It's a basil. Put here. Let's do 1, 2, 3 spoons. Okay, if you want to use your hand, that's fine. If you don't want to use your hand, so you can use umami. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, we're gonna step dip into a bowl. Okay, like that. Coconut oil. Coconut oil there. That is your bowl, the tempeh bowl that you already seasoned with any kind of seasoning, but I use a bumbu hijau, which is the green seasoning, or the basil. Put in the middle, okay? Boom. That's it. Then next, materials around. Okay. Da-da-da. Maybe the whole tomatoes, like the whole cherry tomatoes. Put salt around.